Tom here from Fast Forward. I want to take just a couple of minutes to talk to you about one of my favorite Fast Forward exercises. It's in Reading Level 3 and it's called Twisted Pictures. I like it because it allows me to be a detective where I look at all the clues I can find before I decide on my answer. By using that strategy, I get the correct answer on my first try almost every time. So a heads up, I take my time with every answer, knowing that working slowly as I come up with an answer pretty much guarantees better accuracy. And better accuracy helps me finish everything quicker because I don't have to spend so much time repeating sections because of my wrong answers. Here's how I work. When I start the exercise, I click on the Go button, and I'll see a picture with 4 possible written answers below. Now, before reading any of the sentences, I look at the details in the picture, something like this. I see a zebra sitting in a chair on a grassy bank close to some water underneath a tree reading a newspaper. In the water is a monkey with goggles and snorkel wearing purple polka-dotted swim trunks. Only after looking that closely at the picture will I begin reading the sentences one at a time. When I do, I read until there is information for which I can say, that's true, or that's false. Like this. The monkey that is talking, false, is dry, also false. This will not be the answer. The monkey that is not talking, true, is dry, false. That rules out this sentence. The monkey that is not talking, true, is wet, true. Both parts of the sentence are true, so this is going to be the correct answer. But just to make sure, let's look at the last possible answer. The zebra that is reading, true, is wet, false. Now this answer is ruled out. Sure enough, answer 3 is the correct one. That's my method, and I promise you'll get more correct answers if you work this way. Because of that, I can guarantee that you will finish all of the content in the exercise quicker. So why don't you try it in demo mode before clicking on your actual assignment? After you log into MySciLearn, click on Demos, then scroll down to find Reading Level 3, choose Twisted Pictures, and I want you to try early levels for this. Do a few of them, and then you'll be on your own. Thanks for watching.